You know what? We're just gonna do it like this. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. Dave, guess what we're doing? Rear spats on Lucas's 370Z. No. Let's do it. Let's do it for real.
All right, what are we doing today, Austin?
Carbon fiber rear diffuser spats, I think is what we're calling these. I'm not quite sure yet because they're not out yet when we're shooting this. On Lucas's 370Z. So pretty, a little dusty. These go on the back of the NISMO V2, right? 2015 plus NISMO 370s. Lucas's is not a NISMO, it's a FSMO, but it looks good. So we're gonna use it. Pretty simple, 3M adhesive and then 4 holes for self-tappers. Let's go. So what I think we're gonna do is just peel the adhesive off, stick it on, and then grab a drill and just run self-tappers in. It's pretty self-explanatory. We got large angled holes to make sure you can get to the top of the bit. Yeah guys, not really much to this one. So I got some all-purpose cleaner. Just gonna get all the dirt, dust, and grime off. That way the adhesive will stick. Cool. Spat me. Wow. All right. We're just gonna peel that guy off. Dave, how often do you think about the Roman Empire?
I don't even know what that is.
And I'm gonna get it close, but not stuck. Stick it 100%. Whew, this stuff's sticky. Dude, it's such a weird angle. There it is. All right, let's do some self-tappers. Do we bolt this one and then do the other side? Or do we stick the other side and bolt both together? Do you put both socks on and then your shoes, or do you put a sock, a shoe, a sock, a shoe?
I put milk before my cereal.
No, you don't.
No, I don't.
Oh my God, he's gonna fire you. All right, we're gonna bolt this one all the way up.